and welcome to my channel. My name is Peyton, for those of you who don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how to do a super quick, easy little half up, half down top knot. If this is something that you're interested in, then please keep watching. Okay, so I am starting with my hair already the texture I want. I did my no hairstyle for this look because I want it to look very effortless and lived in. So to start with your little top knot, I never do like an exact parting. I personally don't like when you can see like a really defined line. So I really just kind of do this. I always leave a couple pieces out here and I just grab. I literally just grab like that. And then I kind of find the hole back here between what I want to put up and what I want to leave out. And I just do that. See, so now you have this messy section. Then, have bobby pins at the ready. And I kind of just, twist it a little bit. Start twisting it from the ends and see, it's a perfect little donut. And once it's a perfect little donut, just start stabbing it. Super, super easy, super simple. Also, it just looks really cute. And I finish it off with some texture and shine spray. This is Trophy by r+co. You can never have enough texture. I think it looks cute. Here's the finished look. I like to call this a messy half up, half down top knot. I really don't call it anything. It's just like a oh! So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I will put my personal Instagram and my salon Instagram on this video. If you have any questions or comments or anything else, then leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you if that's what's required. I personally did this myself.